Welcome back. Let's talk a little bit about Module 1. So first of all, what exactly is technical writing, and what should you expect to learn from this course? Well, technical writing is informative, it's useful, it's not entertaining. No one reads a technical manual for fun. When people need information, they need to be able to access it quickly and understand what's being said. Information needs to be organized and labeled. Visuals are often critical to success. Technical writing comes in many forms. It might be an email to your boss or an entire user's manual that comes with your new camera. It might be a brochure featuring a new product or service, or a resume when you're looking for a job. It might be drop-down menus or pop-up boxes for a web page. It can be formal or informal. Have you ever left a note with instructions on the counter for a family member? That's technical writing. People usually won't read an entire technical manual. They'll skim to find the answer that they need. When you need an address or a definition, you don't read the whole phone book or dictionary, right? You have a specific need. The information, the resource is organized and it's labeled, and you're able to find the answer that you need so that you can get on with your life. There's not any plot or characters to follow here. It's not creative. Another important aspect of technical writing is understanding your audience. I would dare say that knowing your audience is more important in this type of writing than in any other form. What do they already know about this topic? Are they novices or experts or somewhere in between, or is it a mixed bag? Do they understand the lingo or the jargon of this particular topic? And also, what's the purpose for this audience? Are you trying to show them how to do something, or persuade them to take some action or make a decision? Are you providing background information so they have an understanding of this topic, or must they follow your instructions step by step in order to accomplish a task? Before you ever write a word, you need to understand whom you are writing for and why. You'll be wasting your time if you don't take these two aspects into consideration right from the get-go. Another thing about technical writing is that it is frequently a collaborative effort. As the writer of a technical document, you may not know everything about the topic. That's why you work with a SME, a subject matter expert. They have the knowledge or the content. You make the information available and usable for that target audience. They may speak geek of the jargon of the field, and you may have to translate from geek to English for your reader. You may have an international audience that speaks many different languages. I've seen directions on several products that have no text at all, just graphics to convey the message. So you can see that technical writing is a mixed bag. It's not always boring, it's not always exciting. It's very different from the other kinds of writing that you've done in your English classes. It's something that all of us use in some form or another. It's something that everyone who works will end up writing in some form for their job. So I hope that the things you learned in this class are very useful and practical to you, and that it will help you as you continue in your career and your education. Continue on with Module 1.